Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 and what's inside of it. To get inside this device, you need to undo 11 Phillips head screws. Then, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool, and lift it away from the chassis.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
As you can see, there is a 38 watt-hours battery pack inside. It lasts for 6 hours of either web browsing or video playback. To take it out, unplug the battery connector, and undo 2 Phillips head screws. Like many more premium notebooks, this one has its memory soldered to the motherboard. You can find the laptop with either 8 or 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, working at 4800 MHz. Storage-wise, you get one M.2 PCIe X2 slot, which fits 42mm Gen 3 drives. In terms of cooling, you get one heat pipe, a heat sink, and a fan. In addition, there is a heat spreader for the VRMs. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.